Consider one example on star-delta transformation. For the circuit shown below, determine resistance between M and N using star-delta transformation. This is given circuit. Here, no any resistors are in series, as well no any resistors are in parallel. So to simplify this circuit further, we must apply star-delta transformation. Let this is node A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Here we can observe that ABC is known as delta connection. Similarly, BCD is known as delta connection. If we convert either ABC or BCD into star, further simplification will become easy. Let's consider delta connection, that is ABC. If we try to convert this into star, the equivalent star network may looks like this. Let the value of this is R1, this is R2, and this is R3. As here we can observe that in delta connection all resistors are having same values, therefore in star connection all the values will be same. Even if we calculate for one star resistor value, it will be same for others. Let's see how to calculate R1. So R1 is equal to product of adjacent resistors, that is 6 ohm and 6 ohm, which is adjacent to R1. It is 6 into 6 divided by sum of these three, that is 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6, which is equal to 36 by 18, which is equal to 2 ohm. Therefore, similarly, R2 and R3 values will be same, as all the delta connected resistor values are same. Now we will draw the equivalent circuit. So this is R1, this is R2, this is R3, that is its value is 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm. So here we have 4 ohm resistor. This is node D and it is connected to terminal N, and it is connected to terminal, here we have 2 ohm resistor, that is this is 2 ohm, this is M terminal. Here we can see that the value of this is 4 ohm, value of this is 4 ohm. Now in this circuit we can see that 2 ohm resistor and 4 ohm resistor are in series. Similarly, this 2 and 4 are in series, and this 2 and this 2 are in series. I will simplify the circuit further. This 2 plus this 2 will be 4, that is 4. So here I will, this 2 and 4 are in series, that will be 6. This 2 and 4 will be in series, that is in 6, and those are connected to same node, that is D node, and this terminal is connected to N, and this terminal is connected to M. Now here we can observe that this 6 and 6 are in parallel, so we can replace these two resistors by single resistor, that is 6 into 6 divided by 6 plus 6 is equal to 36 by 12 is equal to 3 ohm, that is this is 4 ohm, the value of this is 3 ohm. So here it is M terminal, here it is N terminal. Now here we can see that 4 and 3 are in series. This can be replaced by single resistor, that is this is M, this is N. The value of this resistor is same, 7 ohm. So therefore equivalent resistance between terminal M and N is 7 ohm, that is RMN is equal to 7 ohm. 7 ohm. Thank you for watching.